In today's video, I will teach you how to generate a virtual model for clothes using AI. Let's get started. If you're selling clothes online, working on a fashion project, or just curious about how your design would look on a real person, Photoshoots' AI-powered virtual model tool is a game changer. To do this, open your preferred browser and navigate to Photoshoots' website. Now click on the AI tools from the left sidebar menu, and this will bring you to a page with a variety of creative tools powered by AI. Now scroll down until you see Virtual Model and click on it. And you'll be taken to the upload screen where you can start the process of placing your clothing on a model. Now click on Add Your Photo and select the image of your clothing item from your computer. And make sure the clothing is clearly visible and not too wrinkled or distorted. Recommended formats include JPG and PNG. And for best results, use a front-facing product photo with no models already wearing them. And once the image is uploaded, scroll down to the model menu. Then browse the different virtual models available. There are multiple poses, body types, and skin tones to choose from. If you prefer to use a real model photo, you can click on Custom, then upload your own image. And make sure your custom model image is front-facing and in good lighting for best results. Now, click the size option to pick the format that you need. Square 1x1, which is ideal for Instagram or product thumbnails, 3x2 portrait, which is great for fashion listings or lookbooks, or 3x2 landscape, which is useful for banners or horizontal layouts. So pick one that matches where you'll post or use the image. Once your model and settings are chosen, click the Generate button. And it can take up to 60 seconds, and each generation gives you 2 image options. So let the AI analyze your clothing and apply it realistically to the model you selected. Now, click on each image to zoom in and examine details like fabric fit, lighting, and posture. And if you're not satisfied with the images, you have 2 options. The first one is modifying the image by clicking Change Something to make custom edits. And in the text box, make sure to clearly describe what you want to change. And the second option is generating again. To do this, click the Generate Again to receive 2 brand new AI-generated previews. And you can repeat until you find the result that fits your style and intent. And once you find the image that you like, you can click Use this image, and you will be redirected to Photoshoots Editor, where you can add studio lighting, change the background, add branding or text, or apply filters or retouch the model. And this is a great chance to refine the image before publishing. And when you're done editing, you can click the download button at the top right and choose your preferred resolution and file format. And your virtual model image is now ready to use on your website, social media, or online store. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.